that we are tracking as there been a major update that has now been given by the government on the portal, which is the CoWIN application. Now, what is being suggested as far as the certificates that are issued right after you get inoculated, either from the first dose or from the second dose, if there are any errors in those certificates, that can now be rectified on the CoWIN portal. For more on that, let me straight away go across to our Mumbai digital desk. Suchitra is joining us live from there. Over to you, Suchitra. Just give us the details of the changes, the update that has now been made on the CoWIN portal.
Yeah, while getting slots on the CoWIN portal, specifically on Arogya Setu app, has been difficult. It is this new update which has come up, which has eased the COVID vaccination drive further. Now, Arogya Setu app, which also is the contact tracing app of the center, has tweaked its feature to allow post-vaccination changes in a person's COVID certificate. This new feature allows the registered individuals to change their name, year of birth and gender on their CoWIN vaccination certificates in case of any errors by raising this issue online. However, the citizen can only raise it once and can change these uploaded information just once so as to avoid malpractices. Now, how does this work? Let's take this. Now, if this is your CoWIN portal and in which you have got your vaccination certificate, you want to specifically change these things on your CoWIN app. So then you will get this, what is your issue? You will find this tab in which it will have a correction in certificate where you can choose one of the three or all three of these fields. It has been given a disclaimer that citizens can edit their certificate only one time and updated information will appear on your final certificate. Now, this will also, you have to select the member. It can be, as there are multiple people who can be registered on one particular number on Arogya Setu, and it again shows the same issue, what is the issue, and this will be raised with the center and then it will be corrected. Now, Arogya Setu has several other features also, which has it has a blue tick option, that is, it will have blue tick and blue shield will be shown for users who have been administered both doses. The app will show other colors for people who have been partially vaccinated. Specifically, if you have a single jab, there will be a single border with vaccination status on the home screen along with the tick and the app logo. Blue ticks will be visible 14 days after the user is inoculated and the second with the second dose of the COVID vaccine.